Hi, my name is Ashley and let me introduce to you the newest Hyperpower hairdryer. Let me tell you, it's a game changer. The RAVEG Hyperpower is the best blow dryer in the world due to its exceptional features. With a powerful motor that can reach up to 110,000 rotations per minute. This means you choose optimum safety and dry your hair in record time. Additionally, the 55 disabled noise level makes it very quiet, creating a peaceful hair drying experience. The light weight of 549 grams and long 3-meter cord prevent arm strain while allowing more comfortable hair drying. This means you choose for comfortable hair drying. This hair dryer is also equipped with the latest technology. Water balance system helps maintain moisture in the hair shaft to prevent drying and breakage, while ionic technology emits negative ions to reduce frizz and static and promote a smooth and shiny hair. This means you choose for healthy and shiny hair forever. The RAVEG Hyperpower, the strongest in the world. Trust me, once you try the RAVEG Hyperpower, you'll never go back to your old hair dryer again.